Section 1. Understanding the unexpected error in your Tesla app. Encountering the "an unexpected error occurred" message in your Tesla app can be frustrating. This error typically arises from three main issues: authentication problems like expired logins, corrupted app cache, or overloaded Tesla servers. We'll explore these causes and provide solutions to get you back in control of your Tesla. Addressing these will allow you to remotely start your car, control the climate, and supervise self-driving. Welcome to Section 2, Troubleshooting Authentication Failures in your Tesla app. Authentication errors often occur when your login session expires or there's a sync problem with your Tesla account. To fix this, start by logging out of the app completely and then logging back in. This refreshes your session and resolves sync issues. Ensure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Tesla account. If problems persist, try resetting your password through the Tesla account portal on the website. Enabling two-factor authentication can also improve login reliability by adding an extra security layer. If this does not work, make sure you are on a secure network, as unstable connections can trigger errors. A corrupted app cache can lead to unexpected errors in your Tesla app. The cache stores temporary files that can sometimes become corrupted and cause conflicts. Clearing the cache removes these temporary files and gives your app a fresh start. On iOS devices, you need to offload the Tesla app to clear its cache without deleting the core app files. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, and find the Tesla app. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Apps, find Tesla, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. You can also clear data if needed, but this will require you to log back in. Clearing the cache helps ensure a fresh start for your Tesla app, resolving unexpected errors without losing your account data. If you clear data, you'll need to log back in. Sometimes the unexpected error in your Tesla app occurs due to overloaded Tesla servers. This happens especially during peak times like software updates or major deliveries, such as the recent Cybertruck launch, where over 50,000 users reported issues during app-based key handovers. To check for ongoing outages or maintenance, visit Tesla's official status page if available. This can help confirm if the issue is on Tesla's end, such as during server overloads that affected 15% of users in a recent Q3 outage. Unfortunately, there's little you can do except wait for Tesla to resolve the server issues. Trying again later, especially during off-peak hours when server load is lower, may help resolve the error. Keeping your app and vehicle software up to date. Mismatched app and vehicle software versions can cause compatibility issues and errors. Both your Tesla app and your car's firmware need to be running the latest versions. Check for app updates in your device's app store to ensure you have the most recent version. For vehicle updates, navigate to your car's settings menu and check for software updates. Your car's software updates are delivered over Wi-Fi and may take some time to complete. Staying current with both app and vehicle software minimizes potential conflicts and ensures optimal performance. Sometimes regional internet service provider blocks or geographical restrictions can prevent your Tesla app from authenticating properly. These geo-blocks limit access based on your location, causing unexpected errors during login or feature access. To bypass these restrictions, connect through a virtual private network or VPN. A VPN masks your real location by routing your connection through servers in different countries, effectively changing your IP address to appear from an unrestricted area. If the VPN solution doesn't resolve the issue, perform a complete app reinstallation. This removes any corrupted files or settings that might be causing the errors. Start by deleting the app, then restart your device to clear any temporary caches, and finally reinstall from the official App Store. This clean installation ensures your app starts fresh without any lingering issues that could cause unexpected errors. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the error continues, it's time to contact Tesla support. Provide them with detailed information about the error, the steps you've already taken, and your app and vehicle software versions. Including screenshots of the app interface and infotainment screen can help Tesla support understand your specific issue better. Tesla support can offer further assistance or escalate the issue to their technical team. As Tesla continues to innovate, Future developments promise to address app errors through advanced technology. One promising trend is AI-driven diagnostics within the Tesla app. By 2026, machine learning could automatically identify and resolve cache corruption, authentication failures, and other common issues without user intervention. Another future direction involves decentralized cloud solutions, similar to blockchain-based storage. This could distribute server load across multiple nodes, reducing the risk of outages during peak times like software updates or new vehicle deliveries. As Tesla's ecosystem expands with advanced features like full self-driving supervision and energy management integrations, addressing app errors proactively will be essential. These innovations aim to reduce the current 10 to 15% error rate and improve overall user experience.